Hello kids, are you ready to fun with numbers? So let's start. First we make number 1 with light green stick and dark green and add one more. Number 1 is ready and we add one more block. Are you count with me? Great. Now we make number 2. Add one blue stick. Then we add purple stick and one more light green stick. Number 2 is ready. 1, 2, block. This is number 2. Hi, number 2. Wow, it looks so pretty. Now we remove all the stick and make number 3 with 2 little sticks. Yes, we did it. Number 3 is ready. 1, 2, 3 block. And number 3. Wow. Now we remove all the part and make number 4 with 3 beautiful sticks. Yes, this is number 4. Great job kids. 1, 2, 3, 4. Block. We count number 4. Okay, now we jump our next number 5. 1, 2, 3 stick make number 5. We have 5 fingers on our hand. Can you count with me? Great. Next, we will make number 6. One yellow, one more yellow, and we need one more yellow. Number 6 is ready. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 block. Now we remove all the part of number 6 and make number 7. I'm so excited for number 7. First we place here a purple stick down and then 2 stick at the top. Number 7 is ready. Clap for number 7. We have 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aha! Number 7 is just like the 7 color of rainbow. Now we jump our next number. Now we start to make number 8. First we use 2 light green color stick. Then we add 3 more stick of yellow color. Our number 8 is ready. Are you ready to count with me? So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 block. And number 8 is looks too round like a snowman. Now I'm thinking what we are going. Oh, we make number 9 with this beautiful stick. We add here 3 more stick to make number 9 and our number 9 is ready. Wow! Well done kids. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 block. Now I'm thinking what is the next will come after 9. That's right, number 10. We make a circle now with the help of 2 sticks. 1 and 0 make number 10. Wow, we are already in double digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 block. You are doing amazing, little learner. Now we remove all that and make number 11. 1 like the 2 best friend holding hand. We use 2 green sticks for make number 11. Now the time for number 12. We remove only 1 stick and here we make number 2. For make number 2 we use yellow and green stick. 1, 2, 12. Let's move on. Our next number 13. 13 is school number. We use 2 sticks to make number 13. Yeah, we did it. Our number 13 is ready. Wow. Now the time to remove all the part of 13 and start to make number 14. We use 3 sticks to make 4. 1, 4 together make number 14. And now we jump our next number. You know what is the next will come? Ooh, that's right, number 15. 1 is already done and now we make number 5. We use some yellow and red colored stick. Make number 15. 1, 5, 15. Let's clap 15 times. Just kidding. That's a lot. Let's do 5 clap and big cheer. Are you ready for number 16? Let's use all yellow color like a firework. Hey, we make number 16. Wow, it looks so nice. Okay, what is the next will come? Number 17. But first we remove the all part of 6 and then we start to make number 7. To make number 7 we use only two color, yellow and one purple. Number 17 is ready. Now we jump our next number 18. 1, 8, 18. We use only two colors to make number 18, yellow and light green. Now we're removing the all parts of number 8. One is stable and now we make number 9. Again two color yellow and light green. Our number 19 is almost done. 1 9 make 19. Now we jump our next number 20. For make 20, we remove the number 1 now. First we make number 2 using the yellow color and one more yellow, then dark green and yellow. We have little bit space for making number 0. So let's make it very close to number 2. 2 0 20.